It's too much. I can't do it.
I took you here for a reason. I can't deal with this.
I can't do it. My dad told me not to do it, but I did it. I'm so
Listen, hey, would you listen to me for a second? Just listen to me. Why? What's your problem?